Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a home remodeling business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your home remodeling business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. According to US Census Bureau data, approximately 592,000 new single-family homes were sold in the United States in 2016. This figure represents a 16% year-over-year increase, indicating a promising increase in this sector of the economy. From this vantage point, it appears that this market has a lot of potential. As a result, it would be prudent to seize the opportunity and launch your own home renovation company. Although the workload in the housing market is increasing, the start will be anything but simple. Prepare for a multi-step process if you want to start your business successfully. Begin by working as a regular employee in a home remodeling company or a larger reconstruction firm. It will assist you in making contacts in the field and gaining valuable experience. Then, learn the ins and outs of the financial side of things. Begin developing an exit strategy as time passes. Start doing some less difficult home renovation projects on your own as a side job, for example. If you're good, your customers will recommend you. Hire assistants and increase the number of work hours as your workload grows. Finally, when your side job becomes your primary source of income, quit your current job and start a brand new home renovation company. In comparison to construction businesses, which are typically large enterprises, home remodeling ventures are more easily managed financially. Nonetheless, don't expect it to be an easy ride. With so many other entrepreneurs doing the same thing as you, the most important step is to make sure you have a sufficient budget to cover your initial expenses. This budget should include the wages of your employees, overhead expenses, and direct materials. After you've calculated all of your initial costs, it's time to look into financing options. Make appointments with several banks to see if they can provide you with affordable business loans. Also, look into government grants for small businesses. Even if you don't qualify for one right now, it's a good idea to know what options you have in the future. Future home renovators should never work without the necessary permits. When you've decided it's time to start your own business, go to your local small business administration office. Tell them about your business plans and gather all the information you can for the first stage of your professional development. You'll also need to decide how you'll register your company at this point. If you know you'll be hiring employees soon, forming a limited liability company is the most practical option. The most significant advantage of this business model is that your personal assets are treated separately from your business finances. Furthermore, you must check with the authorized local government agency to see if you only need to register as a home renovation office or if you also need to obtain a license. The rules vary even from state to state, let alone country to country. When you're first starting out in your home remodeling business, try to limit the number of tasks your company does. If you spread yourself too thin, you will lose focus, which could lead to problems such as missing deadlines or being late with payments. Wise entrepreneurs in the home renovation industry begin with a small amount of work. For example, at first, only offer bathroom renovation or carpentry work. Make your company visible to potential customers. You can become available through the mobile home remodel search if you register on one of those contractor databases. This increases the likelihood that new customers will notice your venture and hire you for their remodeling work. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a home remodeling business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.